Hey guys, it's your boy Artie back with another video. Today we're gonna making a video. We're gonna have a great pack opening right now. Only if my thing's gonna work, but okay. So now I'm doing something, but I don't have enough stamina for it. Going to my team. We need some players for the sets. So I have some cool surprises for you guys. But we're gonna start warming up our luck with these pro packs. Let's go. What are we gonna get? Oh, okay. That's not so good. Okay. Let's go again for this next pro pack. Oh, a 92 overall in like these packs is very good. This pro pack is really hard to get that. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the premier packs. Nah, it's not so good. Now we have a street pack and a lockdown pack, and then 2 sharpshooter boom or busts. Wait, hold up. Where is it? Here it is. Pretty sure. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try Let's open it up. And go. So now we can go back to our item. We'll start with the boomer bust. I keep calling it boomer bust. Alright. Open it up. Oh! Oh ho ho ho! 95. Let's go. Let's check this guy's stats. Oh, mid-range is 89. I mean 98. It's not bad. It's very good. It's pretty good. Yeah. Go ahead and claim this guy. Let's open it again. Come on. Okay, let's go to the another 95. Go. Good. Okay. Kyle Larry. Let's go. What I like about these street packs is you can get like really good stuff. This is cool. Let's see who we get in this lockdown pack. Or what are we gonna get? Victor Oladipo. 50,000 coins. Matthews. And a elite cord. 2 92s. What was it? I forgot it now. It was like a shooting. Yeah. And a 95 as well. We got in there. The ad rewards. Let's see what we get. Wild card. Wild card. I hate those cards. They're useless. Okay, Porter Jr. It's actually hard to get these in, like players in this packs. We're gonna leave the Madness pack for later. Let's get this Game of the Night token out of the way. Ooh, Game of the Week. What the? Let's open it. 85 to 89 trade up. See what we get. Ooh. In these packs, if you get a 92 trending or something, it's actually hard to do that. Unbelievable, guys. It's crazy.